Good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to discuss two questions from GATE chemistry paper 2020. The first question. In the first question, it is asked, among the following, the suitable reagents for the given transformation is. In the starting material, we have been given an alpha beta unsaturated ketone, and we have an alcohol as a product. There are four options. In the first option, it is given hydrogen in palladium charcoal. In option B, it is given hydrazine in potassium hydroxide followed by heat. In option C, it is given sodium borohydride CCl37H2O. And in option D, it is given lithium in liquid ammonia. So how do we proceed to solve this question? So this is a question related to Lewis reduction. So what is Lewis reduction? Lewis reduction is the selective organic reduction of alpha-beta unsaturated ketones to allylic alcohols with sodium borohydride and lanthanide chlorides, mainly cerium chlorides, in methanol or ethanol. So in the starting material is a alpha-beta unsaturated ketone. You can see that this is the ketone functional group, and we have a double bond in the alpha beta position to the ketone functional group, and the reagent used in this transformation, that is the Lewis reduction, is sodium borohydride cerium chloride 7H2O, and the product obtained in this transformation is an alcohol, and it is an allylic alcohol because the hydroxyl group is at the allylic position. So in this transformation, there is of addition of hydrogen across the CO functional group, and the bonds formed are, we have a CH bond newly formed and an OH bond in the allylic alcohol product, as you can see, and the bonds broken are CO pi bond. So the correct option will be option C, that is sodium borohydride CeCl3 7H2O. Now we move on to the next question. In this question, it is asked, a major product formed in the following reaction sequences. There is a starting material, and we have reagents. In the first reagent is given lithium in liquid ammonia, tertiary butanol, and in the second part it is given ozone in presence of methanol and dimethyl sulfide. So how do we solve this question? So this is a two-part question. In the first part, the reagent used is lithium in liquid ammonia, tertiary butanol. So this is Birch reduction, that is dissolving metal reduction. So what are the products obtained in a Birch reduction transformation? So Birch reduction is generally used to convert aromatic rings to cyclohexadienes. So if we have, say, benzene, and if we use a reagent lithium in liquid ammonia in presence of tertiary butanol, we will get cyclohexadiene as the product. But if there are substituents in the ring, there will be influence of substitution, that is substituents, on the formation of the product. So if in the aromatic ring there is a electron withdrawing group, then the addition of protons take place in the 1 and 4 position. So addition of protons take place in the 1 and 4 position. Again, if we have electron donating groups, then the addition of proton takes place in the 2 and 5 positions. So addition of proton will take place in 2 and 5 position if there is a electron donating group. So electron donating group can be OMe, or electron withdrawing group can be COOH. If there is an electron withdrawing group, then addition of proton will take place in the position 1 and position 4, and if there is an electron donating group, then addition of the protons will take place, that is in the ortho position or the 2 position to the electron donating group, and in the 5 position. So in the starting material you can see that there is a electron donating group, that is OMe group, and the reagent is lithiamine liquid ammonia tertiary butanol. So the addition of proton will take place in the 2 and 5 position, and one new pi bond will be formed. You can see in the starting material there are 3 pi bonds, and in the product we have 2 pi bonds. So there will be, so 2 pi bonds will be broken in the starting material, and in the product 1 pi bond will be formed. So this is the product in the first step. This is the product, and now we go to the second step. So this is the product of the first step is the starting material for the second step, and the second step the reagent uses ozone in presence of methanol and dimethyl sulfide. So in presence of ozone, ozonolysis takes place. So this double bond will be broken, and addition of oxygen will take place across this double bond. So if addition of oxygen takes place, then we will have a ketone and an aldehyde as the product, and the resulting compound will be a open chain compound. So the correct option in this answer will be, for this question will be that is option B. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Thank you.